In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record reimbursable expenses on QuickBooks. If you incur costs on behalf of a client or project and plan to get paid back, recording them correctly keeps your books clear and ensures you don't lose track of what's owed to you. Start on your QuickBooks online dashboard. Move your cursor to the Create menu to open the list of forms you can make and choose Expense. This tells QuickBooks you're logging money that went out of your business for something you purchased. At the top of the expense form, select the payee. This is the person or company you paid. Think the vendor, supplier, or team member who was reimbursed out of pocket. Pick the correct name so your vendor history and reports stay accurate. Next, choose the payment account. This is the bank account, credit card, or cash account from which the money actually came. Selecting the right account is important because it determines where the transaction will appear in your registers and reconciliations. Now go to the category details section. Click into the category field to tell QuickBooks how to classify this cost. Because we want to track amounts that you'll bill back, we'll create a dedicated category. Click into the empty field and select Add New. You're creating an account in your chart of accounts specifically for reimbursable costs. For the account name, enter reimbursable expenses. Keep the name clear and consistent so it's easy to find later. For account type, choose Expenses. This places the account in the proper section of your profit and loss. For detail type, select Other Business Expenses, which is a good general fit for costs you expect to recover. When those fields look right, click Save to add the new category to your list. Back on the expense form, add the amount for this reimbursable item on the category line you just set up. Double check the number for accuracy. This is what you'll ultimately expect to recoup. If you like, use the description field to note project details or the client name so it's crystal clear later, and make sure the transaction date matches when the expense occurred. When everything looks good, payee, payment account, category, and amount. Click Save. QuickBooks records the expense to your new reimbursable expenses category so you can see these costs on reports and easily identify what needs to be billed back. That's it. You've recorded a reimbursable expense cleanly and set yourself up to track and recover those funds with confidence.